guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently purchased from WildSummerDesigns. I haven't done that in a while, but I was able to put it in the budget. So I got I got the same thing but different. I got the weekly kit, which is what's back here, and then I got the base kit and some littles, glitter headers, deep covers, and then a die cut, and then I got the weekly kit. So I got it twice. This is the Queen's Game kit, the base kit and the weekly kit. So it's the same thing but different in a small way. What I want to try and do is use this in both my A5, my B6, and possibly my ERIN CONDREN as well. I've been neglecting my ERIN CONDREN by like a lot since I got the SEWMUCHCRAFTING B6 inserts that I've been using. So I've been cheating hardcore, but I've also been saving money by doing that. So let's get into what I got first. These are these are not the weekly kit stuff right here. And then I have the weekly kit back there. So I got the die cut. Thought this was very pretty. I plan and know things. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. I might get some cardboard or paper or something and glue it onto a paper clip. I haven't decided yet, or just clip it in my B6. And then I got the date covers. I honestly thought that it was going to have the 1 through 31 with it, but if I have to write it, that's perfectly fine with me too. So there's that. And then I got the letter headers, because if you've seen any of my past plan with me and weekly spreads, then you know that I love the glitter headers. I use it for the entire thing. And then here are the full boxes. It's going to be very hard to decide what goes up in my corner box. Yeah. We'll see. I'll figure it out. And then this right here actually goes with this. I'm sorry, guys. This is the base kit. So you got the full boxes here, and then you have the rest of the base kit here with 3 headers this week to do an important. You get a weekend banner, habit tracker, these like half checklists, weekly plan. I like to call it a weekly plan or weekly. I forget. But I don't usually use these unless I have to for that week, because if I have like a lot going on. And then the bottom washi. I haven't done one of these in forever, guys, sorry. And then I got littles, which, if you know, again, in my past, I always get an extra thing of littles anyways, because I use that in my weekly spread, but I'm going to try and do it a little bit differently. So you have blank ones, and then dollar ones, 2 film ones, 2 like birthday or like for like party, 4 of the shipment ones or like package, moving, whatever. The hearts. You get 8 TVs, 8 of the meal, and then 4 of the other. So then you go into the actual weekly kit. You get the, sorry guys, my nails are not sharp. You get the deco, and then again, full boxes. You get ombre checklist, full box. You get headers to do today, little things this week, next week, dinners, exercise to buy, to clean, goals, work, and then some more appointment ones. So there's like this, ooh, I can't do this one-handed. So there's like this little one, and then you get a bigger one, which I always end up using these. And these little flags, I like rarely ever use those in my, this is like back when I was doing the weekly kits though. And then weekend banner, you get half boxes, quarter boxes in both round and square, 2 bill-dos, and then some more stuff here. It's like side flags, and this right here, I forgot what this got, the little labels over here. And then again, the little things, I won't go over that, already did. And then you get checklists, icons, more flags, teardrops, movie, these like 8th boxes, these half boxes, 2 of the weekly planner things, and then hydrate, 2 of the habits, weekly tracker. That's what I've been calling it, weekly tracker. Do like your meal planning and YouTube, whatever. And then it comes with scallop, me time, and then here are the numbers, and then the date covers again. So I think what I might end up doing is doing the weekly kit 1 week, and then doing the base kit another week, and then just using, that way I can just use these numbers instead of writing it, maybe, I don't know. And then the bottom washi and more washi here. So that is what I got from WildSummerDesigns. This is the unicorn butter paper I have not used yet, but I think I'm going to fall in love with it all over again, or with her kits all over again. I already have plans to get 2 more kits, one for my wedding anniversary and a week that's coming up very soon, and then one for if my daughter gets into preschool, which that'll be in another video that I need to do. So that is what I got, and yeah, I'm actually very happy. I'm actually like super excited. I don't think I'm going to do a plan with me just because I don't know how I want to do it, and it would be probably like a gazillion hour plan with me. But I will definitely post them on my Instagram, so make sure that you follow that. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye guys!